Welcome to Principles of Organization Management training powered by tonex.com. Principles of Organization Management training covers a fundamental structure to learn the responsibilities and operations of an organizational manager and to elaborate the rules, notions, and tools can be applied in performing such functions. Principles of Organization Management training provides particular topics containing planning, decision-making, organizing, leading, controlling, and innovating. Audience. Course designed for managers at corporations and organizations, senior and mid-level managers, leaders and directors, team leaders, project managers. Price, $2,450. Length, 3 days. Why organizational management training is necessary. There are several reasons why you need to get training in this area, including the following benefits: evaluation and inspiration, alignment of available sources, maintaining the daily operations, seeing employee fears, cutting down risk and inefficiency, improvement in morale, anticipation of difficulties, reduced expenses, increased return of investment, opportunities to expand. Tonex training format. This course is designed into 2 modules, theoretical and practical. The theories and principles are delivered through lectures and presentations. Major topics will be elaborated with practical activities. Practical section includes individual, group activities and hands-on workshops. Case studies, examples, projects, and scenarios are chosen from real-world cases. Training objectives. Upon the completion of Principles of Organization Management training, the attendees are able to explain views, values, ethics, and perception of organizational management. Understand the general competencies expected from organizational managers. Elaborate various techniques to describe the organization management and the management process. Describe how the values that management offers can affect an organization. Evaluate how a manager can add value to an organization. Appreciate and understand the significance of proper delegating. Evaluate the leadership styles of managers. Inspire their employees. Apply the principles of leadership in their organization. Comprehend the application of various roles when collaborating in a team. Comprehend the interaction process. Determine and apply successful communication skills. Understand and evaluate main decision-making styles. Recognize the commitment levels and the commitment levels of others towards the organization's goals. Understand how planning can affect an organization's goals in a positive way. Understand the concept of organizational framework. Illustrate the knowledge of organizational design alternatives. Comprehend contingency variables. Elaborate the notion of the boundary-less organization. Appreciate the advantages of a learning organization. Describe control as a function of management. Evaluate when control is useful and when it is not. Determine conditions in which they need to modify their strategies. Evaluate the role of creativity and innovation in organizations. Evaluate the significance of managing positively in a changing environment of an organization. Articulate the application of creative planning approaches for organizational creativity and growth. Course outline. Overview of organization management. Historical perspective of organizational management. Managing yourself. Managing others. The organizational management processes. Planning and organizing. Role of creativity, change, and innovation in organization management. Tonex Group Activities Sample. Overview of organization management. Management definition. Organization definition. Organization management definition. Management is a system. How to add value to the organization. Environmental limitations on managers. Leadership, entrepreneurship, and strategy. How to effectively plan, organize, lead, and monitor. Performing the economic, social, and environmental aspects. Individuals and groups' performances. The historical structure. Organizational cultural. Organizational styles. Historical perspective of organizational management. Study of management and organizations' approaches. Scientific management. Human interactions. Modern views. Managing yourself. Personal mindfulness. Learning how to constantly learn. Experiential learning. Various learning styles. Cognitive learning. Learning how to think. Prejudgment. Managing your personal assets. From capability to proficiency. Self-motivation. Managing time. Managing stress. Managing communication. Managing change. Managing others. Teams and leaders. Team collaboration and management. Inspiring people. Leverage. Responsibility. Development, evaluation, and training. The learning organization concept. Various learning styles. Evaluating the performance. Coaching, mentoring, and counseling. Coaching, mentoring, counseling. The organizational management processes. Managing the organization. Management framework. Systems management. Organization development. Decision-making and strategy development. Communication. Tactical planning. Why planning matters. What is strategic planning? Strategic planning process stages. Financial management. Budget. The balance sheet. The income and expenditure statement. Cash flow statements. Contracting. Terms and conditions of employment. Managing external relations. Planning and organizing. Determination to the planning process. Organizational planning. Organizational construction and design. The boundary-less organization concept. Strategic management. Role of creativity, change, and innovation in organization management. Creativity and the competitive advantage. Creativity and innovation. Managing change and innovation. Tonex Group Activities Sample. Discuss your perspectives and views on organization management in small groups. Evaluate each other's views in regards to effectiveness, cost, and outcomes. Explain your leadership style. Evaluate each other's leadership styles. Discuss the knowledge and skills you have gained. Tonex Case Study Sample. Organizational change management in Walmart. It was almost 10 years ago when the everyday low prices seller of food, home goods, electronics, music, and clothing decided to enlarge its marketplace. They introduced more expensive, chic goods such as stylish fashion to appeal new customers. However, the strategy never took off. Upscale consumers were definitely unimpressed, and lower-end consumers began to find somewhere else for deals. Walmart hired a new advertising group to forge on, but it was not to be. Until in 2012 when they publicized plans to reconcentrate their goals on low prices. Discuss all the elements of organizational change and management for this example. Learn more about principles of organization management training. Call Tonex experts today. Call us today. 1-972-665-9786. Visit www.tonex.com.